it's Kate with WTI. This is my dining room rug and it is one of my favorite things in our home. I think it is so gorgeous and elegant, but it's also really easy to maintain. This area rug is by SAFAVIEH, the Monaco collection. It is the 6'7" by 9'2" in the forest green and light blue, and I am obsessed with this pattern. I have the matching round one, and I love in this larger area rug just all of the details of that really beautiful design. The colors are so pretty, easy for me to slide dining room chairs out on it. They don't get stuck. It's just such great material. It's awesome for high traffic areas because it doesn't shed. It's really excellent quality. I love all the details like this trim, this green trim around it as well. And I super love that it's easy for me to maintain. The easiest rug to vacuum. My vacuum would never get stuck on this carpet, and I have hard floor underneath it, but I can easily transition from hard floor to the carpet and the vacuum will not get stuck. So if you are looking for a great quality rug that's going to last you, it's going to be easy to clean, but it's also going to be really elegant, I highly recommend checking out this one. I am super happy with it, but that's just my point of view.